Good morning, my dear student. On the behalf of KTHM College Nasik and Department of Chemistry of this college, I am Dr. S.R. Loveday welcomes you to the lecture on polarographic analysis. Student, in previous lecture we discussed what is voltammetry, principle of voltammetric analysis and different methods of voltammetric analysis. Student, in today's lecture we discuss polarography, principle of polarographic analysis and electrode system used in polarographic analysis. Therefore, polarography, we know that it is a technique of voltammetric analysis. Polarography is a technique of voltammetric analysis, in which current voltage time relationship is utilized for qualitative and quantitative analysis. Therefore, we can initially define this polarography. Polarography is a linear scan voltammetric method of qualitative and quantitative analysis perform in a quiescent analyte solution using dropping mercury electrode, working electrode and pool of mercury, that is the excess of mercury present at the base of the cell, pool of mercury as a counter electrode. This is the exact definition of polarography. Polarography is a linear scan voltammetric method of qualitative and quantitative analysis. It is performed in a quiescent analyte solution, means a stirred analyte solution, using polarized dropping mercury electrode as a working electrode and non-polarized electrode, that is a pool of mercury, as a counter electrode. In this case, the solution is electrolyzed and current voltage relationship during the electrolysis is utilized for identification and estimation of sample. In polarography, sample solution is electrolyzed and the current voltage relationship is used for qualitative and quantitative analysis of sample or the analyte which undergo reduction at dropping mercury electrode. Therefore, in polarography, sample solution is electrolyzed and current voltage relationship during the electrolysis is utilized for identification and estimation of sample. Principle of polarographic analysis. As we discuss here, in a polarographic analysis, sample solution is made a part of electrochemical cell containing cathode and anode. Here this is a resistance wire R, and this resistance wire, these two electrodes, that is in a polarographic cell, this is a auxiliary electrode, and auxiliary electrode is a pool of mercury in polarography, pool of mercury. This is a working electrode, and this working electrode is a dropping mercury electrode in polarography. And if there is requirement of measurement of the potential of a working electrode, then this is a reference electrode, and reference electrode may be saturated calomel electrode. Therefore, this is a diagram that represents a apparatus of polarographic analysis. Polarographic analysis require a electrolysis cell. Sample solution is taken into this polarographic cell containing dropping mercury electrode, working electrode, pool of mercury as auxiliary electrode, and saturated calomel electrode as a reference electrode. This analyte solution is electrolyzed by the application of DC potential. Therefore, here when that analyte undergo reduction, during this a current voltage graph is obtained, and that current voltage relationship is utilized for qualitative and quantitative analysis of sample. Therefore, here we write the principle of this polarographic analysis. In polarography, an analyte solution is made a part of electrolysis cell containing polarized dropping mercury working electrode, and a pool of mercury as a non-polarized counter electrode. Therefore, analyte solution is made a part of electrolysis cell containing DME, dropping mercury electrode, pool of mercury, and a reference electrode. Then the analyte solution is electrolyzed by application of the analyte solution is electrolyzed by application of small and linearly increasing DC potential potential when a potential reaches equal to the reduction potential of the analyte undergo reduction. This potential identify the analyte. During reduction, current is measured. During reduction, the cathodic current is measured and is directly proportional to the concentration of the analyte which undergo reduction at working electrode. Therefore, here when potential reaches equal to the reduction potential of the analyte undergo reduction, this potential identify the analyte, means it is a qualitative analysis. During electrolysis process, the cathodic current is measured. Cathodic current is measured and is directly proportional to the concentration of analyte which undergo reduction at working electrode. Therefore, in polarography, both qualitative and quantitative analysis is carried out. Therefore, this is the basic principle of polarographic analysis. In a polarographic analysis, sample solution is made a part of electrolysis cell containing dropping mercury working electrode, pull of mercury as an auxiliary electrode. Then sample solution is electrolyzed by the application of small and linearly increasing the DC potential. When potential reaches equal to the reduction potential of the analyte undergo reduction and this potential identify the analyte. During the electrolysis process, the cathodic current is measured and this cathodic current is directly proportional to the concentration of the analyte which undergo reduction at dropping mercury electrode. This is the basic principle of polarographic analysis. Student, now we discuss the electrode system which is utilized in polarographic analysis. Electrode system. We know that polarography is a voltammetric method of analysis. The electrode system which is employed in voltammetric work or voltammetric analysis are called as microelectrode. There are three different electrodes are used in voltammetric analysis. First type of electrode is called as working electrode. Working electrode is that electrode on which a analyte reaction takes place. Therefore, this is called as a working electrode. Working electrode employed in a voltammetric analysis are the microelectrodes. Microelectrodes means dimensions of these electrodes are very small, are very small, and that ranges in few square millimeter. Therefore, due to very small surface area of these microelectrodes are easily get polarized. Microelectrodes are easily polarized due to high current density. High current density. Current density means magnitude of current flowing through the current density is equal to magnitude of current flowing through the cell or through the electrode divided by area of electrode. And if area of electrode is very small, then current density is very high. Therefore, working electrode or microelectrode, when we apply a small potential difference due to very high current density, the polarization of this working electrode takes place. And therefore, analyte reaction taking place on the working electrode. In voltammetric work, working electrode carries a electrolysis current. Working electrode which are employed in voltammetric analysis that are made up of either a gold, platinum or silver, graphite like this. Working electrodes are made up of platinum, gold, silver or sometime graphite. But in case of polarography, the working electrode is made up of a metal that is a mercury metal. Mercury that is present in a liquid state, and therefore here this mercury is dropped into the analyte solution and that act as a working electrode. Therefore, through fine glass capillary, a small spherical drops of Hg having area about 0.05 millimeter square is generated on the tip of the capillary and that act as a working electrode in polarography. Therefore, polarography that is a method of voltammetric analysis in which working electrode is dropping mercury electrode. A small spherical drop of mercury that are obtained on the tip of the capillary which is hang into the body of analyte solution and that act as a working electrode in polarographic analysis. Secondly, second type of electrode in voltammetric analysis is called as counter electrode or auxiliary electrode. Auxiliary electrode or a counter electrode. This is an electrode which is used in combination with working electrode. And therefore, this auxiliary electrode or this counter electrode carries the electrolysis current. But the dimension or surface area of the electrode is very high surface area gives a very low current density, and therefore current density is very low, and so there is no polarization, no polarization of this electrode. Therefore, no polarization of electrode means no reaction on the counter electrode. Therefore, auxiliary electrode that is used in combination with working electrode. Therefore, working electrode as well as this counter electrode or auxiliary electrode both carries electrolysis current, but surface area of auxiliary electrode is very high compared to working electrode, and therefore due to application of small electrical potential, the current density at this counter electrode is very low. Therefore, there is no polarization of counter electrode, and therefore there is no reaction on the counter electrode. In polarography, the counter electrode is made up of a mercury. Therefore, excess of mercury present at the base of this cell act as a counter electrode. In polarography, the counter electrode is the excess of mercury present at the bottom of the cell, bottom of the electrolysis cell is act as a counter electrode. Therefore, in polarography, both working electrode as well as counter electrode are made up of a mercury metal. Therefore, here polarography is a linear scan voltammetric technique performed by using a mercury electrode. Therefore, this is only a technique of voltammetry in which working electrode as well as counter electrode both are made up of mercury. Therefore, here third electrode in voltammetric analysis, that is called as a reference electrode. The purpose of this reference electrode is to control the potential of working electrode. Reference electrode in a polarography, generally a saturated calomel electrode, is used as a reference electrode to control the potential of dropping mercury electrode. Therefore, here reference electrode is coupled to dropping mercury electrode, and potential difference between the DME and saturated calomel electrode is monitored. Therefore, it is coupled to dropping mercury electrode for measurement of potential difference or voltage, measurement of voltage of DME. Therefore, here working electrode, counter electrode and reference electrode are the three electrodes used in electrolysis cell of voltammetric analysis as well as for polarographic analysis. For polarographic analysis, working electrode, counter electrode made up of mercury and saturated calomel electrode is used as a reference electrode. Student, you can find out the answer of this following question from this video and keep it as a record of home assignment. First question is that what is polarography? What is polarography? Give the principle of polarographic analysis. Polarographic analysis. Third one, explain the electrode system used in voltammetric and polarographic analysis. This is the home assignment. With this, student, I invite you to my next lecture on polarographic analysis. Thanks for joining me. Wish you all the best. Keep learning. Happy learning.